and welcome to a new episode on Clever Creator AI, where we explore groundbreaking tools that transform your creative ideas into reality. Let's dive into today's features and show you how easy and exciting it is to create with AI. Thank you for tuning in. Today, we are taking a closer look at Clever Creator AI, your gateway to effortless and innovative content creation. Best of all, you can get started for free, no credit card required, for limited time. Stay with us as we unveil how you can maximize your creative potential starting right now. First thing you should do is to sign up. I'm going to click on over here. This is, you can sign up manually over here, or you can sign up using Google account, or if you have a GitHub account. I'm going to sign in with Google, and since I logged in, I am I have the dashboard on the top right hand corner. So before I actually log into the dashboard, I just want to quickly show you what Clever Creator does. It is a content creation websites, AI websites, where you can create images. You can actually use GPT-4 to create content, and you can create e-greeting cards and e-codes. Not just that, you can actually create images as high definition resolutions. You can create any type of content you like. And we also have created a custom templates. Let's take a look. Once you log in inside the dashboard, first thing you should see is your dashboard over here. It tells you how many templates you have access to, the total chatbots you have access to, the custom templates you can create based on your accounts, image you generated. In this case, I have only generated 1 images. I have 9 images left in my account for now. Word I have generated, and word I have left to be generated. Once you generate images, it will show up over here for your images, and since it is created in the free account, they also show up in the main website. As you see, there's other features such as trending templates, which being used within the accounts, mix of different users. First thing is I will show you is the template sections under the AI tools. If you click on the templates, you actually have access to 75 pre-made, customized, fine-tuned GPT-4 templates. You can use any one of these for free of cost. So just to show as an example, I will show you a quick demo on one of the content creations. So let's go click on videos. I will click on YouTube video title, and I will ask is how to create YouTube video making money using AI images. Give me 10 different ideas. Okay, I'm going to click on advanced settings. This is not required. If you want, you can actually change any one of these settings as you need. Actually, just for demonstrations, the maximum tokens you can have is 4,000. Creativity is high, and I'll choose the tone of the content. I'll create as a professionals because I want to create a professional videos, and I'll click on generate. And as you can see that I actually have 10 different titles that are related how I can use AI images to make money. And at the bottom actually you have a statistic is number of tokens is created, it's taken, number of words it's generated, and the number of characters it generated based on your content. Good thing is actually you can download this as to Microsoft Word, or you can just copy these and put it in wherever you like. Next, I'm going to go back to the template. I'll show you one more. Let's say if you want to create a TikTok, and I want to create a TikTok video script. And again, I'm going to use the same sentence. So give me a video script of TikTok making money using AI images. All right, and I'm gonna again change this to be maximize, and I'm gonna make this as the content creation tone level is medium, and I also want to make this as a professional, and I'm gonna generate. As you can see that this actually created the prompt that I need, and as you can see that actually it's just created the token. It took 200 tokens. The number of words is 144. Number of characters 797. So I'm going to copy this content, which is actually the prompt, to generate the image, and I'm going to click generate image now on the bottom right hand corner, and it's going to take me back to this screen, and I'm going to actually paste it over here. So as you can see that I paste it, and I'm going to click on generate image. It actually generating the image while we wait. This is actually a pretty cool ways to create your own prompts since you're not sure how to write a captivating prompt, and you can actually see this is a prompt. It's actually while it's watching, she's watching a TV sofa and holding a cat. You can actually click on generate again, and you should see it will create a different variation of an image, but still a girl holding a cat. Let's see what it does. Okay, while we wait, addition to these options, you can actually see there's a help button. So if you have any option, your problems, questions, concern, you can click on the help, and you can actually reach out to us if you have any problems with your accounts or you need any technical help. You can actually see the image is created, and as you can see there's pretty high resolutions, and it's holding a cat and sitting on a sofa. That's all for today. Try your prompt. Let's see what you can create. Thank you for watching.